Welcome to SanusAer, the daily disinfection solution. As everyone knows, with the coronavirus pandemic, the world as we know it has forever changed. The biggest challenge is and will continue to be, how do businesses create an environment that will be safer for their employees and customers? One in which you can be 100% confident that all the surface areas in this space are totally disinfected or sanitized. We'll need to all understand that the old cleaning methods are no longer sufficient. Not to replace those, but you need something more. As a result, many businesses have already adopted our ozone generators as part of their new normal. Just since the beginning of the pandemic, we've sold hundreds upon hundreds of units to doctors and dentists, first responders, schools, childcare facilities, restaurants and bars, fitness centers and sports centers, mass transit folks and using buses and limos, and even charter airlines. The use of our SanusAer ozone generators gives business owners the confidence to know that every morning when they open their doors for their business, that their facility is totally disinfected, never to have been more clean than after an ozone treatment. You see, to treat every night is very simple. In most cases, these are going to be a set it and forget it situation, one in which the generator will turn on automatically and once everyone is left for the business that evening. It'll run for approximately an hour or two, depending upon the size of the space, and it will fill that entire space with ozone gas, seeking out every nook and cranny where the hidden viruses and dangerous bacteria may be lurking. It will oxidize all biological and chemical pollutants, putting people at risk. No worries, this is a green technology, and it's totally safe and will not leave any chemical residue behind. The use of ozone technology has been around actually since the late 1800s and is widely used in many industries today to disinfect, deodorize, and destroy pollutants. For example, it's used to treat all bottled water today. It's used in the fire, flood, smoke, and mold remediation businesses. It's used to sanitize sports facilities and their sports equipment. Hotels and motels also use it to eliminate a smoke smell in case a guest cheats and actually smokes in the room. Heck, it's even widely used in hospitals to disinfect operating rooms and also now PPE equipment. Unfortunately and surprisingly though, most people have never heard of this technology and therefore have no idea of the amazing powers of ozone. This is where we come in. Along with all of our resellers and distributors, our customers and their customers, we all need to work together to get the word out on this technology. We're convinced that we need to spread the word via a lot of effort, word of mouth from the rapidly growing list of people and businesses that are for the first time experiencing what SanusAer ozone generators can do to transform any indoor space into a healthier, safer environment. The use of ozone will become a part of many businesses' new normal, an easy, affordable, green way to obtain a total blanket disinfection of your targeted indoor space every day you conduct business. You can rest assured after each evening's treatment that you're creating a safer environment for you, your staff, and your customers. All of them will know what you did and deeply appreciate you for doing so to keep them safer and healthier. So, now that you know about the SanusAer solution and that it exists and how it works, here's my ask of you. Please do at least one of these things and maybe even all of them if you're able. It'll change the world we live in and provide for a safer indoor environment as a result. Number one, at a bare minimum, if you're not able to buy a unit, please tell as many people as you know about this technology. You may become a hero as a result. Number two, purchase and use the ozone generator to sanitize and disinfect your desired indoor environment, no matter what it is, because it has tons of applications. If it can be enclosed in an indoor environment, it can disinfect it. Number three, if you have a business and use our generators to make this space safer for all, then ask us for two things. Number one, ask us for a decal to place on your front door or a visible space within your business, telling the people that you're cleaning with green with the SanusAer technology. It'll allow them to recognize that you're going above and beyond to help keep them safer, and it'll be an identifier for them to know that. And number two, also request. We have a 3.5 inch by 3.5 inch card we've developed with a QR code on it. Put it in a visible space, maybe at the checkout or somewhere that people can get access to this, or maybe if someone's interested, just give them this to take. It'll give them the ability with their smartphone to hover over that QR code and learn a lot more information about this technology and how they can purchase it. So ultimately, what it also will do is it will give them a 5% discount. And of course, that code will be exclusive to your business. And you will also get a little bit something for passing on the word. And the fourth thing you could do is actually take this idea even more seriously and start your own thriving business selling this equipment to the tons of folks and businesses that desperately need it right now in order to safely open and maintain their businesses. Let me tell you, this will likely be the biggest business opportunity you'll ever see in your lifetime. As everyone in the world right now needs this technology, and very few people are aware that it even exists. So if you're one of the millions of folks out of work, or you know someone that is, or many people that are, please tell them about SanusAer. We're here to help improve, make safer the indoor environment for all. Please pass on the word. We look forward to hearing from you soon.